welcome back to the channel. Today we have a install video. I'm actually not in my garage this time. I am at my buddy's shop. His name is Jake and his shop's name is Bixler Build here in San Antonio, Texas. I'll provide a link in the description to his shop and his website and everything for you guys so you can check him out. He's a longtime friend of mine, super cool Toyota guy, really down to earth, honest guy, so y'all go check him out. But we are finally upgrading the suspension on the 4Runner. Check this out. We got some old man Emu BP-51 coilovers for the front and then some rear reservoir shocks as well. We are super excited to be doing this, and I've been wanting these for a long time, and it's finally time to upgrade. So we're gonna get started on this install and we'll see you guys there. Hey guys, this is Jake right here, the man with the plan, ready to get started.
Yeah, tie rod off, sway bar link, disconnect them from both sides. Gonna pop this ball joint off and then remove the coilover strut.
Sounds like a plan, man.
Start putting a new one in.
All right guys, I'm gonna show you a comparison of what we had on the truck and what we're about to put on. So there is my Bilstein 5100 with Old Man Emu heavy coils. And here is the BP-51 right there. You can see the difference in those two. Man, I'm so excited to put these things on. But I have no complaints about the 5100s. You know, they've gotten me everywhere that I've needed to go. I had them on the truck for probably 3 years now, but I feel like it's just time to upgrade. I have wheeled the crap out of these things, and I don't know, I just want a smoother ride off-road. But yeah, there's the two right there. You can see the difference.
Gotta keep them shocks pretty.
Hey Jaxie. Jaxie the shop cat? What you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so the coilovers are on. And now we are putting the sway bar drop kit on there. So we're going to drop the sway bar probably a good ½ inch. And then that should give us a little bit more travel and clearance. Alright, the fronts are on and all done. Jake killed it. Check it out. And we got the sway bar drop on there. So it drops the sway bar and pushes it forward. Now we're starting on the rear. And these rear shocks are badass. Check these out. They are huge. Alright, so let's compare these two now. So just check out the difference in the overall size of these things. So to the right is the 5100, the Bilstein 5100 I was running. To the left, of course, is the Old Man Emu BP-51. Check that out. Pretty sweet. All right, first side is done. We got the reservoirs mounted on, the shocks, and then the shock guard. That was probably the weirdest thing about putting these on was putting that shock guard on. I don't know, it's plastic and kind of flimsy. I don't know how long that'll last, but there's a little snap ring that goes at the bottom of the shock, and then you got to position it perfectly and slide it down. But it worked. So we got that side on. Now one more side to go and we should be rocking and rolling. Jake's finishing up that last rear shock over there. I just figured I might as well clean up some of this stuff. I have never once detailed under here, so I'm gonna clean some of this stuff up and make the best of the truck being on the lift. And it'll look prettier for photos here in a little while.
Say you got a pass, but I'm knowing life is fast. Everybody's got their path, need you to meet me where I'm at. Can't see me through these tents, I bet they asking who is that. You seeing what I'm on, but you don't know me like that.
Check it out. I think we got a good ½ inch up front from what we were running previously. It looks perfect. That looks nice, dude. We are out on some local power line trails real quick just to test these things out, and I didn't air down or anything like that. I'm kind of just cruising down these dirt roads right now, and man, these things are awesome. They ride so smooth, but man, it's a night and day difference between these and the Bilstein 5100s. These things ride amazing, and right now I don't even have them set on like a soft setting. I'm gonna leave them on the factory setting right now because I love the way it handles on road, and it's handling really good off-road right now. And usually we air down whenever we go hit trails, like some heavy trails, so might be any adjustments needed. But I'm gonna try to find like a rock or something where I can kind of flex it out a little bit and show you guys, you know, the travel, I guess you can say. But yeah, I think I see one right there. Let's go ahead and pull up on this one. So it's nothing crazy. I just drove it up on that rock just to flex it out and show you guys. But man, this thing has got a lot more travel now that I changed those out from the Bilstein 5100s. Check it out. Man, I love these things. You can't even feel all these little rocks driving on this road now. It's so nice. It's such a big upgrade from what I had before. There's another good angle of it. Kind of flexing out a little bit. Nothing crazy, like I said, but it's definitely an upgrade from what I had on the truck before. And this side, got that back tire tucked, and it feels good, guys. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and you know, check out my other videos as well. We're doing all kinds of stuff like this all the time. Going on trips, camping trips, off-roading trips. I love to do installs, so that's pretty much what we do out here. So that's all I got. We'll see y'all next time. Peace out.
Say you got a pass, but I'm knowing life is fast. Everybody's got their path.